What's up everybody, welcome to today's new video. It has been a hot minute since I sat in front of the camera and actually filmed a video for YouTube and especially this channel, but I'm here today with some news about my channel change. So in the last year, year and a half, I have literally gone from this to this. I have been on a health and fitness kick. It just all started when my cousin got married, and kind of close to that wedding time and a bit afterwards, I was feeling really like overweight and just feeling really uncomfortable in my skin, and I was like the biggest I've ever been. I was literally struggling to fit into size 14 trousers, and that has never been me. I've always bounced between a size 12 and a size 14, and to be able to move on from 14 to almost size 16, that was when it hit me and I was like, whoa, I need to do something about my weight. I'm not saying a size 16 is unhealthy, but for me personally, it was kind of what caused me that turnaround. So whilst on my health and fitness journey, I've been eating clean, I've been working out. There's no quick fix. Like, honestly, I'm not here to tell you about a quick fix, but for the past kind of 3 months, two, 3 months, I have been on the keto diet, and a lot of people call this a lifestyle over a diet, and that is why I'm here and changing up my channel. So what the keto diet essentially is, it's a low carb, moderate protein, high fat diet. And when I first started, I was having a bit of trouble coming across British YouTubers that have been on this diet or on this diet, have tips and tricks, kind of snacks, recipes, places where I can buy stuff that ship to the UK and just stuff like that. So that is why I'm here, and I want to change that, and I want to share my journey with you guys because I have absolutely been loving it for the past few months. If you've never heard of keto, it's short for the ketogenic diet, and essentially what you're trying to do is get your body in a state of ketosis. So how you'll get into a state of ketosis is basically by cutting out carbs, and because your carbs you eat get stored as glucose, your body is used to using glucose to run itself on, so that's what it's burning for energy. Once you kind of strip the body of those carbs or make it to like a minimal amount, your body will start converting to burn fat, and this is all a process that happens in your liver, and then your liver excretes these ketones. There's so much more details to it, but this is basically it. Cut out your carbs, your body starts burning fat. Easiest way to explain it. So on the flip side of like the usual diets we're used to and kind of the diet culture, you're eating quite a lot of fat. Like, your diet is high fat, and to me that freaked me out at first, but honestly I've kind of learned over the past few months how to tweak it to me and how to make it work for me. So since I've been on keto, I've lost about 9 kilos. I literally just weighed myself, and I've lost about 9 kilos in about a matter of 2 to 3 months. And I keep saying 2 to 3 months because the first month I was on keto, I hadn't done all my research, I hadn't done all my kind of like, I wasn't as clued up about keto as I was, and I wasn't aware that some like sweeteners will kick you out of ketosis, and I wasn't aware that some fruit and vegetable have a lot of carbs compared to others. And so the first month was kind of like a trial month for me to see if I can adapt to quite a low carb lifestyle. And then next kind of 2 months I had them fine tweaks, I had the knowledge, and I've been applying it, and honestly I'm amazed at how this diet works. Like I said, this is just kind of like a introductory video to my channel change. So what I'm planning to do on this channel is kind of have what I eat in a day of keto, some keto recipes that I've come across and tweaked and kind of created and made my own. I've also just done a cheat day video, so I've done a video about how cheating affects ketosis and how it makes you feel and how it is when you actually test your blood, and how long it will take you afterwards to get into ketosis. I want to do videos about vegetables, do videos about fruits, do videos about sweeteners, and all these little things that I didn't know and I just want to put it into one place where it's easy for you to access and kind of listen to and kind of get cleared up about keto if that is what you're looking to do. That being said, I'm really excited to start this journey with you guys alongside with me. It's been a good few months and I really want to share my knowledge and share my journey. So yeah, just be on the lookout for more videos. I want to do recipes. I'm just so excited and I'm so happy that you guys are going to be here to join me. So I just want to keep this video kind of short and snappy. Hi to everyone, thank you for everyone that stayed here, and hello to everyone who's joining new here, and let's get this started, keto fam. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.